How to fix phone number required for COD Modern Warfare. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this problem. So what happens is many players are trying to disrupt the gameplay here on the game. So Steam, they must add a phone number to their Steam account to play Modern Warfare. So this requirement helped them to reduce disruptive behavior and ensure a positive community experience for all players. So you can add a phone number using the link below. You'll be redirected to the following address right here. Or what you could do is just simply open up your Steam. And then from here, you can go on out. I'm just going to close this for now quickly and then go here. So if you want to play Modern Warfare, you're going to have to go to the Steam icon at the top left and then go to change account. From here, you could go to settings, go to the account section and see the account details. Here you're able to see your emails, so you'll have an option to add a phone number. Just click right here and enter your phone number. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and basically verify your number. You should be good to go. Click on next and you're good to go. Then you can just start playing Modern Warfare once you have your phone number added to your Steam account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.